Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you. Welcome, welcome. We had a little technical challenge here, but I think we've got it solved. You know how technology works. You just never know for sure. But I think we're okay. So, welcome to this workshop. It's entitled The Presence, the Being You Shall Become. And this is an interesting workshop because so often when I do seminars, it emphasizes a deeper understanding of the soul. And that's going to be part of this journey today. But actually, this is a seminar that actually tries to get at a deeper issue within yourself, or maybe issue is not the right word, a deeper aspect of yourself, which is sometimes called the presence, the presence. So actually, we're going to be looking at some very, very, how to put it, some aspects of who you are that you are probably not yet in touch with, but the day will come. And this aspect is called the presence. It's also called the monad. So as many of you have come to workshops with me for years, and I've mentioned the monad here and there, but in essence, this is a really deep exploration into what monad is and how it represents your future, how it represents your future. So there's a couple people here that are new to, how many, just out of curiosity, have never been to a workshop I've done? Okay, 3 or 4 or 5 people, okay. Just know that my style is interactive, so I want you to feel free to ask questions. I may ask you to hold your questions until certain moments where I can open it up, so just keep that in mind. This whole philosophy is called the esoteric. There could be more people coming in. This is good, I guess. The esoteric philosophy is a philosophy that is said to be possibly the oldest philosophy in the world. It's also called the ageless wisdom. I'd better let everybody settle down here a bit. Okay, we're all coming in. And so for those of you who are new, just realize that this is a philosophy that tries to get at some deeper truths, and many of those truths can be found in all world theologies. And so if you're brand new to esotericism, you might hear some terms that are brand new to you as well. I'll try to remember to, there was a great philosopher, I think it was Voltaire, who once said, "Before we discuss anything, let us define our terms." And so I'll try to remember to define terms, but don't hesitate. If I use a term that just is way out there and I don't mention it, please say, what do you mean by that, okay? So we're going to look at this idea of the monad from many perspectives. We're going to look at first how the monad evolved over the vastness of time, because the monad is something that actually transcends even the emergence of your own soul. It's something that is the essence of who you are, and it goes beyond the soul. In fact, in a way, the soul is just a servant of it. The soul is just a servant of it. And it's got a long, mystical, ancient history that I want to share with you. I call it the monadic sojourn. And often I talk about the sojourn when I talk about it in the subject of initiation. But today, we're looking at the sojourn of the monad to get a better understanding of the monad itself. We're going to be looking at things like the whole notion of how this monad is trying to shape your soul's work in the world. We want to look at 3 types of monads. We're said to, our deepest self, the monad, is said to be one of 3 different styles, one of 3 different patterns. One's a monad of will, another is said to be a monad of love, and the third is said to be a monad of intelligence. We're going to look at that deeply to get a sense of what does that mean to us? What does that mean to us? We're going to be looking at the nature of the monad as it pertains to certain laws of consciousness and how it shapes your soul's relationship to outer life, and we're going to do a compare and contrast. How do we differentiate monad from soul? Because a lot of times people confuse those 2 things. Just like in Christianity, a lot of times people have a confusion or what's the difference between soul and spirit. You've heard this before. What is the difference? Well, in a way, that's the same story here. What is the difference between monad and soul? One of the things that I really am looking forward to is to share with you, toward the end of the day, I want to share with you a story about the life of somebody that was truly a master who truly lived the life of monad. And that's the thing. To come back to your monad is to actually be a full master. You are fully enlightened when you are living the monadic life. But I'm going to share with you a story about somebody by the name of Apollonius of Tyana. And Apollonius of Tyana was a great initiate or master, and actually was the subsequent incarnation of the Master Jesus. In other words, after Jesus was crucified 2,000 years ago, within a few decades, Apollonius stepped forward and he took the fifth initiation. And that actually, we are told in the ancient literature, was Jesus coming back to complete the fifth initiation. And now Jesus is a sixth degree initiate and has huge responsibilities in terms of the larger whole. But the life of Apollonius is quite a mystery and quite fascinating, and I thought you might appreciate it, because it'll give you a sense of a little bit about what it means to live at that level and be incarnate at that level, okay? And if history is any judge, we will probably take the unexpected tangent now and then. Yes. Okay, so let's dive into it. First, I want to give you some equivalent terms so that you know that I'm saying the same thing. The term the spirit, the term matter, the term the presence, and the word God all have in some way are kind of synonymous terms. You know, in the Christian Bible, we are told that, and this is a quote from Psalms, it says, "I have said you are gods. I have said you are gods." This is in the Christian Bible. And esotericism would say that that's absolutely correct. Each of us is a god in the making. Each of us is a god in the making. And it's this idea that in a certain sense you are the divinity you seek. We all are seeking for connection with God, and sometimes not realizing that the highest connection we can make with God is to come into relationship with the God part of ourselves, the God part of ourselves. And so a lot of times what people say is God is actually a reference to their own representation of the God, the Fatherhead within themselves. So, common terms to keep in mind. Now, also, when we use the word monad, you know, it's an interesting term. It is thought that the word monad comes from the word mono, the one. It represents the ultimate singularity of livingness within you. And so it's I believe, I'm not sure about this, but I believe it was first used by Pythagoras when trying to understand the deeper dimension of life. And anytime you use the term monad, it has both a universal meaning. Let me say it. Anytime you use the word the presence, it has both a universal application and an individual application. So it's paradoxical. The presence in the sort of the largest sense is another word for God. But the presence can also represent the monad itself, which is the God in you. Let's put it, one difference is this between soul and monad. Soul is the Christ in you. Monad is the God in you. They're different. Soul is the servant of monad. Just like Christ. In the Christian theology, Christ is the servant of the Lord, God. By analogy, it's the same thing that's happening inside us. So I want to first show you an image just to highlight this notion. So bear with me a minute as I get this image up. When you study esotericism, you'll see that there are something called the three periodical vehicles. And is that focused well enough for you? Is it focused? Okay. So we have the lower self, the personality. The soul is the higher self, and the monad is the divine self, or sometimes it's called the highest self. So personality, soul, monad, lower self, highest self, divine self. Now, we can break this down and understand that this triple aspect of your identity has different qualities. For instance, the monad is said to represent pure spirit and conveys will and purpose. Your monad is actually incredibly powerful. It is the purpose of divinity that you actually are. Okay? The soul, which is what we're all striving to become at this point in evolution, the soul is the conveyor of spiritual love and wisdom through the agency of a loving mind. So when we use the word soul, it's a term that represents your consciousness, your perceptual faculties, and it's a term in this case that represents your higher perceptual faculties, okay? Whereas monad is transcendent to perceptual faculties. And as the day goes on, you'll get a deeper sense of that. Personality represents the innate intelligence of the triple form life, meaning it's interesting. It shall pass. This too shall pass. Okay. It represents the intelligence of your personality, your lower nature. In other words, your mental body, your emotional body, and your physical body. Those are all categories of intelligent substance, and the part of you that is fully identified with that, with your thoughts, your feelings, and your physical sensations, that's personality. So personality is sometimes called form-bound consciousness, form-bound consciousness. But in another way, this is very interesting because it's been said that life is the monad, quality is the soul, appearance is the personality. From a monadic perspective, from the monad's perspective, what are you? You are pure life. You are the sense of living beingness. But life, which is so far up, I'll show you where the monad is in the Constitution in a minute, which is so abstract, life descends and manifests as quality. In other words, it qualifies life. Do you know the term, what I mean by that? It qualifies it. It descends and becomes, it is revealed as characteristic. The word quality is important in this philosophy. It doesn't mean, boy, this table is a good quality table. It doesn't mean that. Quality, here's qualities. Love, wisdom, intelligence, harmony, beauty, organization, knowledge, idealism, devotion. All of those are said to be the aspects of consciousness that represent certain divine or spiritual qualities. So life descends first and manifests as the soul, the representative quality. It qualifies it. Okay, so for instance, let's say that you're a seventh ray soul. Okay, life descends, and the quality of your higher consciousness begins to emerge, and that's, in this case, a seventh ray quality. Whereas for another person, it may descend and the soul is, let us say, the soul manifests as a second ray soul. So life becomes qualified as a second ray vibration in expression, okay? Quality then tries to descend and manifest as appearance, personality, my thoughts, my feelings, my physical sensations. So what's so interesting about this is that for you and I, we are struggling to take the personality, which is threefold, and slowly lift it and transform it so that it becomes infused and cooperative with the soul. You and I have, many of you have heard me talk about initiation. Initiation, particularly the first three initiations, are all about that process, where we're trying to take the part of us that is appearance, mental, emotional, and physical, and we're trying to invite the soul to infuse itself into that appearance. And when you take the first initiation, it means that the soul has infused itself into the physical instrument and now has dominion over it. When you take the second initiation, the soul has infused itself in the emotional body, and now it has dominion over that. And the third initiation, the soul becomes master of the mental body of the personality, and that's full soul infusion. That's a tall order. Someday we'll get there, okay? But that is our story. That's our story. But that's not the end of the story. In another way, that's the beginning. Because once that soul infusion is taking place, then this becomes more of an operation in your life. This becomes actually recognized in your life. And in fact, I have another image that might help us see that. Let me just get that out for a moment. In this philosophy, there are three terms. There is the aspirant, there's the disciple, and there's the initiate. The aspirant is a person that is just beginning to awaken to the soul deep within. That's the awakening, where that higher sense of I have a higher part of myself, I have a wiser part of myself, and I recognize it more clearly. And so there's that awakening to your own higher potential. In that context, the two are not, they're separate, but there's a recognition. No recognition of the soul, it's said to be the beginning of the probationary path. But this is where most of us would be. You're trying to merge these two together. Discipleship, partial infusion, commitment to the soul, path of discipleship. So that's the story of trying to fuse these two. The monad, though, which is our story today, is present all along, but is totally unconscious to us, way beyond our capacity to sense this yet, until these two finally fuse at what we call the transfiguration, which is the third initiation. When these two completely fuse, then a higher polarity becomes recognized in consciousness. We are preoccupied with this duality, but when these two fuse, you have a lower point established for a yet higher duality. And that's why at the third initiation, that's when you wake up consciously to the monad for the first time. Even though that itself is fleeting. That itself is fleeting. And the evolutionary requirements in this phase that we're in, and the means to facilitate that infusion process, there's a tremendous amount of wisdom and understanding of that so much of the time this esoteric philosophy is conveying, and I too am focusing on that. But there's a whole process where these start to you might say fuse together, and that's a whole different regime of evolution, a whole different set of variables to be considered and methodologies to be used. And actually there is some information we're given about how that is done as well. And I'll give you pieces of that today as well, okay? All right, so any questions so far? Any questions? Okay. All right, by the way, are you able to hear me okay? Is the sound okay? Okay. All right, so let's talk about the origin of this monad, okay? And you know, it is said in the ancient literature that the origin of the monad is lost in the mist of time. the mist of time. Meaning, it is so distant that it is said that it is said to be extraplanetary. That is to say, your monad comes forth from outside our planetary system altogether. It's not your soul that comes forth in another planetary system. So a lot of people say, oh, my soul is from the Pleiades and some of that. That's not occultism. That's not how the monad is. But that's so remote, so long ago, that it is lost in the mist of time. But having said that, we are given an understanding of its journey. You see, this philosophy speaks of the importance of accepting reincarnation, okay? But when we as human beings talk about reincarnation, we often talk about it and say to ourselves, who was I? Which, by the way, we're given to understand that's the most unimportant question to ask. It's not who you were, but how you were. That is the key, okay? But having said that, we always think about that from the context of human life. And, you know, that you've reincarnated as a human being. But long before you even entered into the human kingdom, you were on a journey. Because long before you were in the human kingdom, you evolved for millions of years in the animal kingdom. Not as soul, but as monad. Not as soul, not as individual soul, but as monad. And before that, the plant kingdom. And before that, the mineral kingdom. At one time, we were all Rolling Stones. Mick Jagger would have been proud. So, you know, you really have to extend this concept of reincarnation in a big way, okay? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at this so-called monadic sojourn. Actually, I think you might have a handout on this. Do you?